Hey everybody, John Carrier here with the Putzmeister Academy here at Putzmeister America. In this series of videos, we'll be going over the new Ergo 3 operating system, so stay tuned as we go over some of the new features and benefits. Okay everybody, here we are at the brand new Ergo 3 EGD, or Ergonic Graphic Display. Starting from the top and working down, you can see our banner menu. This is our 9 different menus that you have, and you can change menus with the top 2 push buttons. And we'll go to our status menu. In this menu you can see things in real time of our concrete output in meters cubed or yards per hour. We have our hydraulic pressure in bar. We have our engine RPM, as well as our hydraulic fluid temperature that we can change between Celsius and Fahrenheit. On the left-hand side, you have some options for EOC, which would be ergonic output control, where we can turn it on or off there. Or our lighting here, where we can turn all the lights on at one time with one button, or we can select and choose what lights we turn on. Also, we have our truck battery voltage. If we wanted to take a deeper dive, we have our settings option. And at the bottom, we have our working, idle, and setup times. Next menu, we have our OSS menu. This will give you real-time working ranges depending on how your outriggers are set up. If you were in OSS, of course, this circle would be green in your working range, or if you were not in OSS, this circle would be all green, giving you all the working range. Next menu would be our boom menu. You can do things like boom speeds and locking out boom functions in here. Next is our pump menu. In here you have strokes a minute, concrete pressure, concrete output. We have another animation of our flat pack, as well as inputs and outputs for things like our accumulator dump valve and our cycle valves, as well as inputs and outputs for your proc switches. Next menu, we have our fault menu. This is a really good menu. If we were to have a fault right now, it would tell us so, and it would also give us a red flag in the area where the fault is located. If we went to list, it would give us a description of the fault and also some ideas on how to rectify the fault. This menu is our input-output. This just shows you all the inputs and outputs for the pump. Down here we can change between core pump inputs and outputs, placing boom inputs and outputs, or just all the inputs and outputs. Here we have our parameterization, teach functions, and as well as replacing parts. This would be for everything that you needed a laptop for in the past. Now you can do all through the EGD with the correct password. And then here, just some 1-800 numbers if you have any issues with your pump and you need to talk to somebody. We have them right here, 1-800-890-0269. All right, thank you for following along as we discuss the new Ergo 3 operating system. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us via the 1-800 number or the website. And for future Putzmeister Academy content, please subscribe to the Putzmeister YouTube channel.